Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to learn how we can make the trending headband you are seeing on this screen. So the first thing is we'll have our fabric ready, and with this fabric we're going to make use of a measurement 45 inches by 8 inches. Then we have 15 inches by 4 inches, and we have 15 inches by 3 inches. So the next step is you fold the fabric into two. You fold it into two. So when it's on fold, you're going to divide your 45 by 2. So we have 45 by 8 inches, depending on how wide you want it to be, or depending on how big you want to do. So now what you do is you mark the measurement on your fabric. Now we have 45, then we'll mark 8. Make sure you mark 8. And if you want it to be larger, you want it to have big effect, you can make it 10, depending on you. But for this particular measurement we're working on, it's going to be 45 inches by 8 inches. So you mark it on your fabric, and then when you finish marking, the next thing is you take your scissors and then you cut. Yes, you cut it out. So when you cut this out, the first piece is ready. The first piece is now ready. You see, when it's straight it's 45, when it's on fold, that would be, it will give you 22.5 by 8. So the next step is to cut the elastic casing. I told you this is going to be in 3 pieces before you can make that head ruffles band. So we're going to have the elastic casing, which the measurement goes by 4 inches by 15 inches. So when you open your fabric, it's not on fold, you cut 4. That it will be 4. But when you fold it, you have it 2 inches. That is on fold. But all in all, you are having 4 inches by 15. So 15 inches length and 4 inches by the width. So when we want to sew this one, we are going to fold it just like you are seeing it there. You see it's on fold. That's where you are going to fold it and stitch it before we can put the elastic. But for the purpose of this video, we're only learning how to cut the pieces that make up the ruffles band. So the second piece is ready. We go to the third piece. So this third piece is the lining that makes us to have the ruffles effect. The lining that makes us to have the ruffles effect. And by this one, we are having 3 by 15 inches or 15 inches by 3, whichever way you want to. So in all, what I'm saying is the length is going to be 15 inches while the width is going to be 3 inches. This one is the lining, which is the third part, the third element in cutting ruffles headband. This one is the lining that will create the ruffles effect, just like you have seen in the picture of the ruffles that we are making. Now we have all the 3 pieces now available. Yay! You are now a pro. So the first piece, then the second piece is there, which is for the elastic casing. Don't mind me. Then the third one is the lining to make the ruffles. Thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you in my next video, where I'm going to show you how you can stitch these 3 together to have your ruffles. Until then, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.